Nice fam. You know what it is. It's your boy, J Pat, on the track. And today we're doing an experiment for the lovely Miss Sloan's class. Which one can freeze quicker? Hot water. Start off this video, you might want to know all the materials. First, got three big old 1 gallon jugs of water, fresh water. Got these 2 cups to measure the temperature with, also with the thermometer. And then got these huge 2.5 gallon jugs of water. It's about to get real up in here. My own hypothesis is that the hot water is real pretty fast. You got one? Okay, we're gonna start by emptying each jug of water. Alright, next step is we need to get the same amount of measurements of water for the cold and the hot. So one variable is going to be the water that is not mixed with the control variable, which is the water which is at room temperature. Okay, and the second one is going to be at the temperature I want it to be at. I don't know what exact temperature that's going to be, but it's going to be hot. Just know that. Okay? So let me get that real quick. So the temperature I got was 103.1 degrees. So I kept the water on so it wouldn't screw it up. So we'll put the water in right now. Alrighty. Now, we got the room temperature water, got the cold water, you got the hot water. This one at 103.1, this one at 50.8, and this one at 70.9. Let's roll. Might help if I grab first.
You stupid.
Alright, you got the hot water right here, the room temperature, and then the cold water. Remember that in order. I'm going to check on them in 1 or 2 hours, see which one's frozen. Hopefully my hypothesis is correct. Let's go.
About 2,000 years later.
Alright, it's a day later. Here you have it. The cold water. The hot water. And the room temperature water. You might cannot see it, but
3, 2, 1.
hot water is the winner. It is completely frozen. This one, you might not see it, but it still has a couple leaks of water. And this one has quite a bit of water left. So, yeah. Alright. Now we got these big old ones. These big ones. These freaking huge. Yeah, they're freaking huge. So I got 3 of them. We do the same procedure. Hot, temperature, cold. You dump them all out. They're not going to have the same exact temperature, but they'll be close. And we'll do the same exact stuff we did with them. Hopefully, hypothesis will be correct. This might take a minute or 2, or 3 or 4 or 5.
This is where Jake realizes he messed up.
What? Shoot now! You got the whole counter with. Oh my
Alrighty, you got the hot water right here at 104.5, cold water at 50.7, and then the room temperature at 70.8. Let's put them up in there, and hopefully the hot water wins not once, but twice. Once again. Alright, got the hot water right here, the room temperature and the cold water. We're going to wait it out and see how it goes. Alright! It's a whole day later. Quite early. Very tired watching them. But, here's the cold water. Here's the room temperature water. The hot water. The cold water, you cannot see it, but it's still not frozen. The room temperature water is frozen, but still has that water that you can see in it. And once again, completely frozen. Every time. So,
Self-destruct
put your
sequence
hands
activated.
together for the winner. All right, I'm back. Now I need the conclusion, telling you the hypothesis and if I was correct or not, and which I was correct. Hot water does freeze faster, but why does it freeze faster? It's because the Mpumba effect. There was this guy of the last name Mpumba. He discovered this when he was 13. He discovered this by wanting ice cream. Instead of putting cold milk like he regularly did, he put warm milk this time, and he saw that it froze faster. His teacher thought that was absurd and started laughing at it, which proved to be that he was the correct one. Theory was just a theory until 2013, when scientists discovered that the convection current allowed the water molecules to move more rapidly in the warm water, making it freeze quicker. That's the proof, and that's why it freezes quicker. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and get you back in science class.
Not about winning, it's about fun.
What's that?
Fun is when you... Fun is What is fun? Let me spell it for you. Happy, friends who do stuff together. Do is for you and me. And is for anywhere and any time at all. Down here in the deep blue sea.
Completely idiotic.
Do all the flowers. Do is for you, and is for
Nose picking, sharing, homicide, licking here with my best buddy.
Friends who do stuff together. Do is for you and me. And is for